So welcome back. In this video I will explain how we can use Copilot in Power Automate. As we saw in previous tutorial or video that how we can use Admin Center to set my environment. So let's get back to Power Flow, Power Automate we can say. So Power Automate is current name. So we need to provide a prompt. Let's say I need to provide a prompt. I need a flow. I am selecting which can read data from SQL Server table and export into PDF. So it's a very pretty simple and common prompt. So now it's generating a suggestion for me that the workflow has a trigger. It will trigger with button. So it has rows and it will use loops, and after looping the record it will actually get the paginated report from Power BI and send it email. So first is we have three sources: SQL Server, Power BI and Office 365 for email. So let's create a connection with SQL Server. Okay, and now I will give my local server name DSL, or using gateway local, gateway server, because I'm using local SQL Server, so I need a gateway server. Database name and then password. Let me copy my database name because I am not remember the name. Let me copy it. Okay, then create button is enabled. Let's click on create button. So after creating create button, it's creating a connection. So so it's create a connection. Next we will need to go in a workflow that we have a DSL ALI Y connection. We need to select this. Okay, then we need to, based on our server, we need to connect database, and then we have a list of table, but we need to select whatever we want. So we have a multiple tables. Let me select person. Where is person in the list? Okay, you can take any table, but for the sake of example I am taking person. And now we're talking about Power BI. We have different workspace, so we can use existing workspace in Power BI. Let me take existing one, R&D reports, and then we can provide a new report name here, or we can use existing report, but I will provide a new report name here. Let me type my report name. So this is my report name, and then I need to pass email people. I need to select organization people whom will be receive this report as attachment. So this is, I added person. Now I need to subject of the email. And after that I need to provide a body, any text. It could be any text, subject could be any text, body could be any text. Let me write simple one. and create flow. So now it's creating a final flow. Yes, you can see. So this is the power of Copilot. You don't need to write long codes like that, and it's generating a future flow workflow for you. So you need to save it, and once you save this, so I hope you like this idea. You can test this flow. Thank you.